Triple Setter don't retire the YouTube channel. That pineapple soda. Yo, what's up, Leo?
So I'm gonna be there on time for sure. Like, I got you for on time.
Hey, yo, what is up? So basically, Rosa done pulled up really late. Waiting on Rosa and her friends to pull up. Areli right here, chilling, relaxing. Melida, Chelsea, you know Chelsea, the soccer team. Carlos, we got Diego, and then Shalom. So we're here at a baile. It's Beaumont Glowout. Cupido Malo's supposed to be here. Bro, if your girl ever make you mad, the boys got you, man. We'll take you everywhere but where you're supposed to be. To be honest, bro,
I pull up a picture
if she hits you,
like,
just let me know, like, I got you. Like.
Hola para mis amigos de Pineapple Soda. Oiga, somos nosotros Bench Entertainment. Oiga, el día de hoy estamos aquí con la gente de Beaumont, DeejFercho. Como siempre, Beaumont tiene un especial en nuestro corazón.
For sure, yeah. Siempre algo especial en nuestro corazón. Siempre nos apoyan en todos los eventos. Así que aquí estábamos y ahorita van a ver todo el ambiente, todo. You're gonna see the whole vlog on this channel, so stay tuned, ¿eh?
¿Se van a meter en la pista o
Nos vamos a meter.
Una chica guapa, ¿por qué será? No sé, güey. Una chica guapa ya.
Es el agua, es el agua.
Es el agua, las refinerías, las refinerías.
You gotta say to the vlog.
Not supposed to be here.
You're getting married. Ah.
I woke up to a new day. We're here at the truck meet. We got invited by my boy Brian. Got my boy Raul with me. But yeah, hey, we're finna just turn up, have fun. I'm gonna make a few TikToks. Apparently, we could go into the food truck, do a little skit. So I'm finna be up in that bitch like, damn, cuatro tortas, comete algo, like, you know what I mean? It's starting to smell like sausage fest. Man, I'm trying to see some tires through this shit and then like, you know, I'm just trying to see tires through this shit. Nah, it look pretty, bro, this is organized to me.
Bro, they got staff on
Like cars ain't coming type shit.
If they come, you just, we shopping. You the one that parked in the handicap spot though. He just said, Ryan, grab your shirt out like from where?
Yeah, I just said, I don't know where they're at.
Oh, it's back. What's up?
Doing alright, you're doing alright.
It's barely what? 20 minutes, leave.
We good. Alright, gonna get my shirt. And once I get the shirt, bro, I'm gonna start acting the fuck up. Hey, look, slide.
The slide.
Oh!
Alright, we got the freshest.
Sure.
We got the staff shirt.
Oh shit! Hey, the front, I like it. Southeast Texas, where you at? Stab shirt. I'm gonna start.
Hey, this is completely up to you. I got 200 little small ducky rubbers if you want to give them out to the building you like.
Oh shit!
You can do that too.
That's fire. Yeah, we'll do that, bro.
Yeah. And then right here if you want to get them.
Okay.
He said to what?
The baddies. I mean the builds that we like.
The beautiful, respectful women.
No, the trucks, twin. Trucks. Yeah, the bitches. Look at the camera real quick. Look at the camera. Bro, you got distracted, twin. He said he got rubber duckies. We'll give them to the builds that we like. I'm gonna just look around first and then I'm gonna come right back. Yeah, like the builds. Like, you know what I mean? Bro, what the fuck did you expect? Bro,
I thought he said,
where's your head right now? Fuck it, let's go to the taco shit. Let's go to the taco truck.
fuck your shit. We'll do a skit right now.
Yeah, fuck it, before they start pulling up. Nah, right now. Damn, I forgot I got the shit on. Hold on. Lift. Right?
You on top,
Sure. Bada beam, bada bomb, boom bow. Working while we're not working, but we're working. I don't know how we ended up here, but we ended up here.
He's smart as fuck though, cause he brought a taco truck. People gonna pull up and
I'm pretty sure it's one.
¿Quiere grabar?
Alright, we finna whip it up, we finna cook it.
We're currently in the food truck, but my boy Raul said he's the taco man. He the taco genius.
I'm him, like
the taco guru.
I'm him in the taco world. No, actions speak louder than words.
Hold on. Damn, bro. Hey. We would have been fired on the first day, twin.
Slap it on.
Con más amor, bro.
Oh, esta es comida con amor y paz.
Shout out Yaritza y su esencia. Ahí está, ahí está. Míralo, míralo.
Check me out, check me out.
I'm just here for moral support. Yeah. You need the meat.
Oh, where's the meat?
Here, I'll help you out,
Grab
The pastor?
my meat, bro. Grab my meat. Whoa, hey, wrong meat.
Apúrate que se me queman las tortillas.
¿Lo quieres de pastor o de qué, bro?
Son de los contenedores regulares. ¿Tienes tacos?
Check me out, big dog. Order number 69.
Nah, you gotta get a taste test.
Oh yeah,
From the one and only.
Let me see.
I mean, right off the bat, this hoe's a little, like, it's just meat. You don't got nothing else on it.
I got you.
Maybe, let me see. Hey, tell them they gotta come visit them, bro. Alright, y'all gotta come out here. Go see, go.
Yo need that jalapeno.
Oh! Hey, come on, get it.
Culo si no.
Míralo. La chicken de Washington.
I know, but for real, if y'all ever see these guys around, y'all come see them.
Hey, oh,
This food is good.
Mírala. ¿Esa cómo se llama?
La super burger.
El monster. El monstruo. Wow. Voy a ordenar un monstruo al rato, bro. Espérate. We'll show y'all love, y'all show us love. Muchas gracias, oiga. Well, we cooked us some tacos. We attended some people. And now we gotta go. Gotta go back to business.
Oh my God, is that thing?
What's up, Tay?
Hey, y'all, we vlogging
Y'all
too.
missed it.
Y'all missed it.
We were just cooking some tacos and shit.
Bro, we waited for it, man. I called order 69, now they using here.
Oh shit! I want some tacos de lengua.
No, I got it, pero.
What's up, vlog? The monster.
Oh yeah, nah, twin, the monster. Hey, bro, I just saw it. I think we should grab some duckies. Start handing them out. Let's grab some duckies. We used to be a little bit shy about it, but like at the end of the day, all these people gonna go home, and they're not gonna give a fuck.
Because at the end of the day, who gonna remember you? Like, they got 7 billion people in the world. Like, not everybody gonna remember.
What did you need?
Hi.
The ducks.
Los patitos.
Mi patito pío, el patito pío.
It's too many though. Like, I'm supposed to just like everybody truck.
Nah, I think you.
He said the build,
Look.
so
Yeah, but don't.
Look, we gotta rate them.
we gotta be stingy with them.
No, yeah, because I think other staff members do the same shit.
I like
You're
the
not the
build.
only one.
Okay, so we just be stingy with it.
Don't be giving ducks out to everybody in their room.
Alright,
No, look, this
alright.
we gonna do. It's gonna be like 1 through 5. Like, depending.
Fucking bars in my mess.
No. Look, they don't know we got the box.
Nah, look, depending on how good their build is, they get either 1 through 5 ducks. So if they get 5 ducks,
I'll be like, I like your build.
This truck, yeah, leave it there.
Actually. Oh, okay. Come
I'll
on.
give them 1 duck through 5 ducks. So like if they get 5 ducks, they build is immaculate.
Oh, we get them like stars.
Yeah,
with
like
the ducks.
stars.
Yeah, 1 through 5.
Like GTA type shit.
You hold the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna come with us? Oh, got a real one over here.
Alright, okay. So we got duckies. We're gonna give the duckies out to the good builds.
You want some, bro?
Oh, shit, hey.
Last I saw him was over there.
He's wearing a shirt like this.
It's gonna say What's up, dog? You been alright?
No, man. Yeah. How about you?
Sepa la verga quién son, pero we're here.
We're trying to
That one.
Hey, check them two out over there.
Oh, the white ones?
Yeah.
Oh, I think
them out over
I think they
there.
deserve a few. That's y'all, bro.
Yeah.
How about y'all come with us? Cinco, seis, siete, nueve. Alright, how many? I know. How many ducks? How many ducks?
Oh, this one?
We give them about.
Does it light up or anything? Does it do anything?
Let's see what we got under the hood.
A ver si está limpia.
The turbulator connected to the motor.
Wait, we gotta
The
check if they got
motor.
blinker fluid.
I like this right here.
3.5. Can we get 3.5?
3.5. We're gonna cut a
We're gonna cut a fucking duck, bro.
I say about 3.
Alright,
Mira,
off the
está
bat,
toda chingada. Oh my God. A la verga, que te
Oh, he gonna turn out on. Hey, pull the ducks out. Pull the ducks out. Alright, bro, I ain't gonna lie. You went up like 2 ducks right there. 2 ducks? You went up
So you was at 1 duck, so now you at 3.
No. Yeah, dude. I ain't gonna lie. That's like 4. 2, 3, 4.
That was pretty good.
Whoever got the most ducks at the end.
I got it for sale. It's all for sale.
Oh, that hoe for sale.
for sale, bro.
It's for sale. Go buy it.
Hey.
Hey, if y'all see this hoe.
Hey, so according to him, he said we could test drive it. Just
Mira, para que te la lleves de una vez.
We just leaked the fucking number.
Yeah, hey, y'all.
Hey, bro, hey, prank call.
hey, y'all text and spam the fuck out of
Hey, just spam the fuck out.
Half a dozen.
It does take 5.
Sammy, bro, that's it? Hey, looking at Nah, count it. 2, 3, 4. Count with me in español. 5.
How many?
We gotta do
6.
How many
7.
ducks are in the box?
8. The
How
two
many?
more. 9. And put the other one in the middle. 10. There we go. Yeah.
How many ducks?
Alright.
broke the scale.
Shout out Sammy,
Broke
bro.
scale.
Shout out Sammy.
We got the cuñaditos truck. Wait, is it?
Yeah, it is.
I mean,
¿Cómo es?
like, poquitito menos.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Unos 5, right?
Sí, va.
Alright, 4.
4. Hey man, Henry, you get 4 little ducks.
Vamos a poner los 4 patitos.
Give it a few more years though, Henry gonna pop out with like 20 ducks.
So in order for them to understand what the fuck the ducks are for, they gotta watch the videos. That's the only way they gonna understand what these ducks are for.
Yes sir. Hey, get this shit, bro. She walking around giving snacks.
How you feel, big man?
Feeling good, baby. Feeling good.
Shut up, down.
Damn, look, I forgot I got the staff shirt on. Shit.
They gave him the staff shirt, he's not even doing his job. Hey, that's a mamalona.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that's enough that way.
Hey, the question is, ¿a dónde lo estás mandando?
One more that way. Alright, that's it.
That's a fucking.
That way.
¿A dónde lo están mandando?
A la verga, bro.
A la verga.
Oh, it's cool. There's a lot of people.
Hey, I need a haircut. Free cut.
Nah.
Free cut if you blow transmission.
He wants some duckies.
Alright, bro, to be honest, I mean, yeah, let's walk, because then they're gonna start coming over here talking about he sent us somewhere. Yeah, let's go to the front. So look, 2.
Hey!
3.
5 is the best. 5 is the best.
4. 5. What's your name?
Harley.
Harley?
Yes, sir.
Like Davidson?
Yes, exactly
You
like
need a
that.
bike too then.
Hey, I'm trying. I can't. I spent all the money on the truck.
Pretty cool.
Hey, you can't pass the dog show. Give him one duck.
Yeah. Nah, that's a little bit more than 2. Let's keep it a buck.
Hey, what a count like?
Yo creo que 3. Oh man.
Oh,
Not even a little. He pulls it out. This is what it sounds like.
No, ya creo que ya se le olvidó, entonces vámonos.
Ooh, that's that friendly beat. Hey, I thought he was gonna like, you know, like, you know, I didn't.
I think it was already on.
Put the ducks on the hood, twin. Boom. Wait. No. One more duck for the little girl.
Hell no, it's a dog. Get me off right your tire right now. we filled out the parking lot.
Yeah, I know. That's what.
Bro, they really packed this parking lot out.
I know.
Lights touch my.
Oh shit! Go put a duck up there.
Madre.
Alright, come on. Patito, uno pateando. Shout out to YouTube channel. Is he in there, bro?
Oh, yes, man.
I imagine he is. Yeah, he is. Alright, bro. We're giving Ducky to the good build. And you caught our attention. And you also caught my attention with the YouTube logo. You turned the air. Throw the fucking ducks on! Throw the ducks on!
Put some ducks
Throw
on
the
there.
ducks on! Dude!
Let me put a duck on there.
Go ahead, put a 6.
Go 6.
Boom! Alright, hey, fuck it. I think the taco truck got a good build.
Alright, it's really good. It filled up the whole parking lot.
Hey, did you really expect it to like get this big?
Nah.
Alright, everybody, so we're here with Los Regios. It's your boy Pineapple Soda, my boy Brian. And then we got Karen, was it? Yes. Karen from Los Regios. We just want to give everybody a huge shout out for coming out, especially you for inviting us. Tacos Los Regios for being here. It was good food, good trucks, a lot of noise, a lot of lights, flashing.
Ambiente here, you know. Thanks for coming,
Mucho
everybody. The
desmadre.
trucks. Yeah, mucho desmadre. The cops were hot, but muchas gracias por venir.
Muchas gracias por la invitación.
¿Dónde los pueden encontrar?
Bueno, gracias primeramente a todos los que participaron. Gracias por invitarnos, a Brian que se comunicó directo con nosotros. Estuvo todo súper bien. Somos hamburguesas Los Regios, 2525 College Street en Beaumont y 5330 en Twin City en Port Arthur. Ya saben, búsquenos en Instagram, Facebook como hamburguesas Los Regios, raza. Así que, gracias.
Hey, you killed that right there.
What do you mean? You want us to be inside?
Alright, we in the truck. Hey, y'all, you got it? Good angle. Hey, Sonic, come here. Yes, ma'am.
How can we help you?
Hello, can I get the big vanilla sandwich, please?
No.
Big vanilla, Big vanilla, goddamn, big vanilla,
Oh, I got him right here.
Big vanilla. The Bad Bunny chicken sandwich.
Wow, for me.
Oh, that'll be $5.
Okay.
No, I'm getting fired. You already know, man. We selling ice cream now. Pineapple Soda done retired the YouTube channel. We do tacos, ice cream. We do it all. Oh, and we got a free ice cream. So we're here with the ice cream truck and Miss
Tonight.
Brian, what you got to say about it?
Hey, thank you so much for coming. It really made it special. Go ahead. What do you
Thank
think?
you for inviting us out.
Yes. Hey, contact them right here. Let them know. Beaumont area, anywhere.
Right there.
They can
Reserve your ice cream truck today.
Delicioso.
This ain't a Pineapple Soda video without getting a subscriber. So she's got a subbity-dubby to dub.
You don't know about pineapple soda?
She don't know. Like
Roll
to be
the
honest,
video,
bro.
roll the video.
Man,
It's like, you don't know what book it is?
you don't know what pineapple soda is. What's up? New sub alert.
Post notice? You gotta hit the post notice.
A la verga, el iguana. El otro mini iguana. Hey, who's sad? Kiwi. Hey, somebody check on Kiwi, bro. Hey, Kiwi sad. Kiwi, no llores. All right. Little man, what's up, bro? What's your name? What's your name? Leo. What's up, Leo? Say what's up to the vlog, Leo. You watch YouTube? Who is your favorite YouTuber? Pineapple Soda? Yeah. Appreciate that.
That's a future tacuache right here.
Yeah.
What truck you gonna have? What truck you want? A GMC what? 4-door, 2-door? On what drop?
tumbada, levantada.
On bags. Oh, he said bags.
Hey, major bag alert. All right, we need to get him in here. He a fool. Hey, bro, just talk. Literally anything you say be funny.
Hey, look, bro, my dog got stuck in the ear because he couldn't even breathe out his nostril because, you know, like, after I got done ironing my car and folding the
¿De
dishes.
qué hablas?
You understand that?
I saw about 3 of them.
Luke
motherfuckers
Combs.
At each corner. I'm like,
Luke
what's
Combs.
Huh? What's up?
Moon over Mexico. Luke Combs.
Luke Combs?
Yeah.
What do you mean by Luke Combs?
I don't know. I thought you were Luke Combs.
No.
No. My bad.
More like Billy Ray.
Hey, okay.
Billy Ray.
Woo. That was sexy. All right, bro. Hey, man. Milk? Hey, fuck it. Go do the iguana while they're burning out.
Do it. I mean, I'll do it in the middle.
Hey, Brian dipped. I'm dipping too. Come on. Anywhere specific? Anywhere specific?
Ah, gracias.
You tell us.
What else are y'all on?